To assemble your secure data storage box, begin by folding down the long sides of the lid section. Then fold the connected flaps inwards. This will form a ridge to fold over the small sides of the lid. To assemble your storage box, fold the section without any adjoining tabs inward. Then fold the two tabs with handles down flat. Use this section to create the base for the storage box. Pull both handle sections up to form the small sides of the box. Then, finally, fold the longer side section back down to reinforce the base of the box.